Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss an upload from me. In today's video, I'm going to do a stovetop cover. I found this ideal off of Pinterest, so I decided that I wanted to do it, and it turned out really nice. So if you guys want to check out the finished product, of course, stay tuned to the end. Jason is cutting the measurements to the size of my stovetop. So all we would have to do is lay the tray on top of it. That way I can decorate it like I want. In this part of the video, I am just using some dark wood stain just to stain everything because I wanted it to have a darker look underneath, and I'm going to paint the top of that with a whitewash. And I'm not going to use the whitewash until it dries at least 80%. I also didn't worry about the bottom side of the wood pieces because that wasn't going to be seen anyway. So I just didn't want to waste the paint on it. We did all this wood cutting the same day as I did the TV frame video. So if you guys haven't watched that video, I will link that above here in one of the cards, and you guys can go check that out. Those TV frames turned out so nice, something that I had never thought about, and I got that ideal from TikTok. So you guys head over there and watch that video. I wanted to let those dry and set into the wood before I use the whitewash.
I thought that we had something special. I thought I handled this so well. I know we had the right intentions, but somehow it came to an end. I was looking for a remedy. Now I better who's in front of me. I was looking for a remedy. Now I better who's in front of me. Yeah. Push you back, hold you close, start a fight, there you go.
So once I did a layer of paint, I just went back with a dry towel and I wiped it. And I did this until I got the look that I wanted.
Remember the first time I met you, the way that it had made me feel. But later something changed between us, and now I don't know where we meet. I was looking for a remedy. Now I better who's in front of me. I was looking for a remedy. Now I better who's in front of me. Yeah. Push you back, hold you close, start a fight, there you go. I get unstable, in my bed all alone, never know when you home. I get unstable,
When I put the stove cover on top of my stove top, it makes the whole countertop look as if it's one piece. And that's what I really like about it. You can't even tell that it's a stovetop sitting right there because I actually decorate on top of it.
Push it back, hold you close, start a fight, there you go. I get unstable, I get unstable. In my bed, all alone, never know when you're home. I get unstable, I get unstable. Push it back, hold you close, start a fight, there you go. I get unstable, I get unstable.
I'm also trying to keep the boards in order the way Jason put it because that's how he cut it. And I didn't want it to lose its shape. It turned out a little grayish and with a little dark brown underneath, which is what I want because that's the color of my island. It has a lot of grays and browns in it. So I'm just taking the dry brush and kind of swiping some of the white on there.
Knew from the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others. A cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning. A new kind of ecstasy.
I just didn't want the board looking all perfect. I wanted it to look weathered. So here Jason is nailing all the pieces together so it won't move. All right, guys, here's the finished look. It turned out really good. I like the rustic type of feel that I get from it. What Jason's going to do now is put some cabinet handles on the side. That way it'll make it easier for me to pick it up and move it when I have to cook and clean.
Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy, 'cause you make it real, yeah. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty need. A different side of me, yeah, yeah.
So right here, Jason is trying to make sure everything is centered so everything could look cohesive together. This was a pretty fun project to do because it didn't take a lot of work, but it added a lot of pizzazz to my kitchen. So I'm just so excited if you can't hear that in my voice.
You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. You found a different side of me.
You guys don't forget to stay tuned to the end so you guys can see my decorations. It turned out so cute. I'm so excited for my little stovetop cover. If you guys are new here and you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe button. You guys don't forget to hit the like button, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah. Got me moving through time and space. Your magic can't be erased. Can't be erased. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. You found a different side of me. like someone pretty neat, a different side of me, yeah, yeah. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah.